Go, 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 go. That wasn't too bad. Hold on, where was that room that we couldn't get into? There, the pharmacy. Wait a minute, how do I get... Dun dun dun. You owe Sabina royalty for saying that. Jose. And she's in a Contro ad. And like she's ordering a margarita, and the bartender's like, "Oh, we're out of Contro," and then she's like, "You made it wrong then," and then she puts the bottle of Constant. All right, that's what it is. Eat it, man. This Go away till next Thursday. All right, look. Berserk duration. Berserk healing. That's interesting. Oh, here we go. Claw drill damage. I haven't used much of that yet. Let's not worry about that one just yet. Oh, cool. Oh shit. Here we go. Asshole! Fucking hell. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, there was a spooter, but we didn't get one. What else? Joshua Thomas is here. He says, "Did I miss?" Yes, but the video is still there if you want to see it. Joshua, thank you for coming in, by the way. Thank you for the like. Django, thank you for the share as well. Corso and Rage, good power. Stronger legs than Diddy, Benji, hence the higher jumping. Okay, there's another skip here, but for some reason I can only get that as Diddy. I can't get that jump with Donkey for some reason. Do you think with Donkey would... Tony, thank you for the heart react as well. Darren Simons as well, thank you for the like. How are you, Darren? Darksiders 3 is different, is it? You haven't played it? Yeah. This is a perfect time for me, says Ryan. And then we're going to climb up. Yeah, I'm digging it. You can see how the Tomb Raider... Really? This is like worst luck ever. Peach is beating me, for God's sake. There we go. How am I, Anther? What am I playing? Got him. Is he dead? Is that it? Ah, that was... Let's join. All right, I've joined Damos. You might be able to join via my... You might be able to join through me, I think, Kathy. I don't know. Mikey's just coming. Yes, but when will you be ready, Mikey?
That Batman Caped Crusader animated series I was telling you about earlier, they were doing it week to week, and so I just waited till it was done, and then I knocked out all 9 episodes because they're fairly short. They're only like 30 minutes a piece, so...
Yep. Yep. I did that with the Last of Us TV show. Yeah. I think it's actually the same streaming service. Alright, what are we doing? Okay, there's fire. Can we, what's this? Can we grab, oh. Yeah.
Oddly enough, I'm free anytime.
Oh, come on. Active in more streams except for Torres. Torres has him by 3 streams. But that's because Torres was following me like 3 months. To it. It doesn't matter if you die anyway. It puts you straight back to where you were, so. There we go. This gate's open. If it is, we'll do a savey. Holidays are expensive when you have kids. Oh, tell me about it. Yes, it did open, so let's save. Tell me about it, David. I'll tell you. Oh, I had a wad of cash, right? The dead red. Is this climbable? Can't climb any walls? No. Okay, can't go that way. There's nothing there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Justin. That is very, very generous of you. Very appreciative. I did shout him out, but I just feel bad for not seeing him. I'm not sure what to do here. I'm a bit... I don't think I can make the jump. I mean, I'm gonna just try. Oh fuck! I meant to jump. I'm so bad with.
Your new name is John Mikowski.
Oh, Damo finally gets hit with something. It's a miracle. Speaking of rearing, where's Rearus? I need Rearus. We need Rearus here. I think the entrance is over here. I can't remember. Fuck. How do I get past these dickheads? Well done. Well done. You're my boy, Bisker. You're my boy, Blue. Oh, bad luck, Damo. GG's. Played with Mama Lee once and one coin once, and maybe there was someone else. Was surprised, never any issues. No, I've never had any issues until now, but I don't know if it's a me issue or if it's something else. I don't know what's going on, but I am. Damn it! Come on, hit her! Not do much at all. I've been doing lots of stuff. So, Tuesday, we'll be back on with Darksiders. Thursday. What are we doing Thursday? And it was like a 6-minute stream starting soon opening. And I'm like, fucking hell, who the hell still has stream starting soon? Like, don't do it. If you're a streamer, do not do it. Thank you, Sammy. Where's Jim? Has Jim shown up yet? We haven't seen Jim. We need to see Jim. What we need. An underwater level in the goddamn dark. Well, here we go. Oh dear. We're gonna sneak up on the bitch. Colin did that to purposely scare me then. I smell your ruse, Colin. You think I'm stupid? Michael Chandler, thank you for the like. And Justin Osborne. Didn't get hurt. Didn't get hurt. Happy with that. Didn't get hurt. Alright, what's this business? Nothing. Over. This isn't as long. Stop scratching your nose. It's itchy! It's an itchy nose. I got an itchy nose. I remember this game. Oh dear. Nearly out, nearly out. That's the end of that. That's a tough level, that one. That's a tough level. Thank you. Alright. Ramon coming in with the followage. Flagjet. Manya is here. Good to see you, Manya. Louise is here. Kevin McClernand's here. Aaron Niemeyer, thank you for like. Darren Simons, thank you for like. Cuther! Sorry, I'm missing comments. Libra. Alright. Ramon coming in with the followage. And we're back to Duckburg again. This isn't a very long game, but I love it. Okay, so now we can go this way. Nearly out of the hospital. Buttons. Buttons. Oh, look. There's a dead sexy nurse. Make sure she's dead. Map, map, map. Dance and action scenes and explosions. It's cool. I don't like when you... Well, Sabby, well, what are you... Well, it needs to be reciprocal. All right. Otherwise...
Up in itself, except my mum and dad were sat downstairs watching TV, and they could hear this splattering sound against the glass doors at the back. And my dad went to investigate, turned the light on, and it was raining vomit. So that's when he knew there was something up.
Dead, dead, all dead.
Aragorn!
Got him. Oh. Come on, rear, dickhead, rear. Got him. That took way longer than it should have, but we did it. Now we've got Helm's Deep. This is the bet. These are really good missions. All right. Service. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're watching. Gotta watch out for sexy demon nurses. Bisker, you gotta go, no worries. That echoed. That was so loud. Oh, chewing tobacco. Oh, that's what dipping is. Oh, that's chewing tobacco.
Back to the shadow.
Oh, yeah, we just leveled up. We need to have some sort of, you know, release. But it's probably not as common with some women, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a woman. But, you know, for men, it's like, you know, how come you never play Sega Master? Oh, I have. I've played Master System games a lot. I did Alex Kidd in Miracle World only like a couple of weeks ago. Where were you? Mr. Coulter is here. Thank you for the like, mate.
I would choose oblivion over this existence.
The choice is not yours.
But yeah, I've been meaning to stream this for a while.
Destroyed.
You are.
And
Yeah,
Banako,
they were a challenge.
yeah.
Oh, go ahead. Over.
I was say, Banako said supposedly another Arkham game is coming out, and there's a VR game coming out, which I probably won't get. I've got VR for the PS4, and I think I can hook up. Pfeiffer's here. How are you, Brian? Dave, you said hello's Eve before. Glendley says what I really want to do is go kick ass over this BS. Oh, you mean doesn't matter actually because the thing's there. Use select button to change. Oh, there's the K. Alright. Stop putting this back on me. You're the one that's done the wrong thing, not me. The world's fucking good. The Shaw Gump Redemption. What? Joshua, special against the Leggy Worlds. You wouldn't watch any Angela? Angela, what are your favorite movies? What am I doing here? The weapons are completely taking away any chance of me beating you. What? Because I'm getting hit from dickheads from behind. Although you got me with that banana before, you cheeky bugger. Dropping it where the double bloody question mark. Where are we going? There was nothing in there but health, so... God, we can't go down this. He's pull his gun out again. Let's turn the light off. Stealth!
Jason Momoa. I think Jason Momoa was attached to the Crow remake at some point. I was like, please no. Like, just don't do it. Yeah.
Yeah, Jenna, that would be, it would be a better, I think, a better script if they got all the female villains together. Yeah, like Ivy and Harley. That'd be cool. That'd be awesome. Mikey will do that. I'm going to get my ass kicked now. Both Damo and Mikey are far better than me at this game. Schliemann, you never played the games either? You always wanted to try? Yeah. Yeah, well, I'd recommend downloading the remaster. Is this for another... Oh, no, I can't get this one. The Commodore has arrived, yes. He needs to be announced in before he says anything, doesn't he? Somebody mentioned the Commodore. Very God of War 3. Yeah, a little bit. God, this is fun. Alright. Alright, I'm guessing that'll start making it move. Oh, I'm so confused. Fat leg, yeah, you've done that before. You're a big Bond fan, but weirdly, you think the League of Extreme Gentlemen when I think of Connery. Oh, wow. I've always...
Echo in what you're trying to do, because it can be kind of annoying.
No, you won't be. I think the echo comes from my speaker back into my mic when you talk. So if I use that... that goes. This is weird. Yeah. Thank you for the 150 milk, man. Appreciate you, my friend. Your niece was quoting my name is Jeff yesterday at Christmas. I lose weight when I'm really sick. That's the only time I lose weight. Because when I'm sick, I don't eat. I don't eat much. So yeah, I just need to watch what I eat. I'm just going to try and watch what I eat because I definitely do enough exercise. Oh shit. Here we go. Come on, attack it. Nothing to say, nothing to say. And it says your son is the oldest, same with me. Dad was a lot tougher than me, than my siblings. Yeah, I'm a lot tougher on Dane, and he knows it. And I told him, I said, I'm tougher on you, you know, because, yeah, you are the eldest. So if something ever happened to me and Amber, he would, to a degree. Oh shit. Give me some health. You'll burn to death. Chocolate Leclerc! Good to see you, Chocolate Leclerc. We call it Boxing Day here.
Give me Damo.
That's Damo, okay. How did you get your last job, Kathy? Can you hear me?
Let's see. Nathan!
I can't catch him. No! Ah, for fuck's sake. Fuck this game. Fucking Damo as well. I'm not sure if you need PS5 VR though, which is too expensive and I won't use it. But yeah, I'm probably not going to go down that path of Batman VR, but I'm sure it'll be cool to see. But yeah.
Reviews I've seen, everybody seems to really like it, but I'm with you.
Because I know a few people that have done that. I wouldn't do it. I like eating too much. I'm getting a big fat belly though. I don't care. I'm 42. I don't give a shit anymore. I don't have to look good for anyone. I mean, if you're going for a platinum trophy, yeah, you know, there's going to be some trophies that'll take the joy out of the experience for you, because, you know, it'll be a bit tedious or it'll be painstaking. and then that spoils the goodness of what that original streamer had. And there's been so many issues with people offshoot. Alright, come on. Yeah, I hope you get some good news. You deserve it. And yeah, well, you know, we're all behind you no matter what you have to go through. We're all here for you, dude. And if you need anything, you let us know. And yeah, hopefully we get a good... Michael says, when I first heard about Boxing Day from my British friend, I asked him, what? Is there a boxing match today? I can't remember the history behind Boxing Day. Shit. Damn sword is. You need to give me an idea of exactly where it is. And it's for a trophy, you say? Okay. Do we... Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. It was sunny and warm and then it poured.
Do you know her?
Edgar Santiago Palustra, thank you for that. Lollies are the best. Using one audio output. Let me have a look. Let me do some troubleshooting. If the stream goes down, that's okay. I was going to end anyway. It was a TV show. Iori says, just so you know, it takes more energy to carry all that weight around, course, so at least drain some. Jesus Christ. The way things should be. You found cash, you're about to get McDonald's ID. Or not, you need to eat my feel. Okay. Oh, Glendalee.
Still much power in him.
Your luck will change soon, I hope. I don't like McDonald's though, Sabby. I don't do Macca's much anymore. But yeah, Asian food. Yeah, no. Wreck you if they hit you direct, don't they? 2 attempts, Darren!
Trifle, really? The chosen's heart. I felt
wait till the other 3 of the... Damn it!
Tower.
You mean it gets harder?
You wound me, horseman.
Alright, let's get into this. Yeah, GG. Thanks, Mikey. You were too good, mate. Too good. Dylan Sancho, thank you for like. Michael Spa, thank you for like. Gerald is here. Oh, we got to do an agreement. There we go. Yes, I read it. No way. He was a monk. Come on, he's the biggest dick. Did I go this way? I don't think I can anyway because of that. Wait a minute. I've got an idea. I've got it. Of course it was an idea. Where's the little fiery fire eyes, I think. You're not allowed to... Can I get these guys? Target too high. Alright. Season's here, it's raining.
Maria.
She's got a butt that just won't quit.
Yeah.
To whence we came. How do I get over there? How do I get to that side over there? I'm pretty sure I can't make that jump. Well, there's too many of them coming here. All right. Oh shit. I'm TNT, I'm dynamite. TNT, and I win the fight. Crazy Kremland. Alright, what's the time? God. You had. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Turn around, bitch! Turn around! Gotta get rid of those shields before we can hit them. Everyone has to own this game. It's so much fun. What's happening, Sabby? I hope you're well. GG's. Thank you, Pazza. Family is like, we're all pretty close, I guess. But my brother and sisters aren't. We're not all close, but we're okay. We get along quite well. But we don't hang out with each other outside of. It's 6% alcohol. It's called 190. It's actually getting really popular, this drink. It's vodka and lemon. It's shochu, vodka, and soda. I don't know if I got all the bananas. It doesn't matter. Got the G! Look at our lives. Can I go around here? Probably not. No, I've got an invisible wall stopping me. Torres is telling me I gotta find this damn pickup, this collectible. I don't know where the hell to look. Phew! Splendidly. Mark Gerhard Berger is here. Yeah, if you're planning on kissing someone, I mean, geez, do something about your breath first. It doesn't matter as much. That's the type of comment that could ruin me.
John said the developers stopped worrying about kids' feelings on the ice levels.
Yeah. Oh shit. That's okay, that's okay. Oh god. This is getting... controls.
Hello. Me too.
Yeah. Yeah, I grew up with it, so it didn't bother me. Try doing factory reset on the controllers. Push the little button with the paper clip, says Mantha. Oh yeah, there'll be a little hole.
You are worthy.
Alright, here we go. Is he dead? No. I'm in general if you want to pop him. Up to you. Alright, which is the next one? Chest hair. It's stinging my crow. Nigel! That's for Cult Classic After Dark. That's for In Bed. Hi Thomas, good to see you. Welcome in. I didn't see you there. 100, this is for you.
Huh? Come on, do it. Lay it out right here. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.